struggling would be. In my timeless state of mind, I've been looking back to find where I'm wrong.
What is up, YouTubers? So magandang araw mga ka-DIY. Alex Oro naman nagbabalik para sa ating panibagong video. Okay, sa video natin ito, magda-downgrade tayo ng laman ng ating BL Live. Yan, okay. So, kung yung iba nag-upgrade tayo, magda-downgrade kasi nga maliit yung ating box. Yan, compact. Yan. Okay, so may na tayo nagawang sound test dito. Okay, masyadong malakas yung 900 watts para dito sa size na to. So ngayon mag-upgrade tayo or magda-downgrade pala tayo ng 560 watts lang yan, crown. Okay? Presyo nito pala sa Lazada na 3.3. Yan. Okay? So swertihan na lang kung makabili kayo ng 3K plus. 3.3 to 3.5 ang isa. Ayan. So hindi ko alam kung bakit mahal. 500 watts mahigit lang naman siya. Okay? So load natin dito. At yung Twitter pala nito ay saktuhan lang rin. Ayan, hindi rin siya or more than half siya ng wattage nito. 350 watts na crown din. Siyempre pala, wag nang kalimutan. Okay, may capacitor to. Ayan, capacitor 2.2 microfarad, 250 volts. At yan. Okay, nabili ko lang dito sa Lazada. May board siya na maliit. May coil. Yan. Okay, subukan ko lang kung okay to. Although pwede naman yung single na capacitor na 2.2 na crown. Okay, usually yung ginagamit ko dati. Pero ngayon subukan ko lang ito. Kaya lang walang brand. Okay, generic siya. Yan. Okay. Pagdating sa instrumental speaker, mas gusto ko yung paper cone na hindi treated. Yan. Para mas labas yung boses, mas labas yung sounds ng mga instruments. Okay, although hindi siya ganun katibay tulad ng mga treated or yung medyo makintab or mga carbon fiber. Yan. So ito pure paper cone lang. Pangkaraniwan. Pagdating sa likod, may kalakihan yung butas niya. Kung di ako nagkakamali, 3 inches yung coil nito. Ayan, JH1256 yung model. JH1256 yung model, Jackhammer series, Crown ang brand, instrumental speaker. Okay, 8 ohms. Pagdating sa basket, wala namang issue. Ayan, saktong-sakto lang para sa kanyang wattage. Or matibay dahil marami, yan bali 6 yung kanyang support. Okay, sa presyo 3 plus, medyo mahal, dapat mga lang ito 3,000.
Just the pieces of the man I used to be. Too many bitter tears are raining down on me. Far away from home, and I've been facing this alone for much too long. feel like no one ever told the truth to me. All my life was a paper, was plain pure and white, till you move it again, changing moves now and then, till the balance was right. Then you added some music, every note was in place, and anybody could see all the changes in me by the look in my face. You decorated my life. Pag-ibig ay sadyang ganito,